Like, it's a proud day for me. I have 6 sons, 6 of them played. If people only knew the area we've only about 200 houses, and it's like a big family really. They enjoy their game, they love the hurling.
David Burke, Hughes, Richard Treat, Mark Pat, First Jackman, Nick David Burke, Cardamer, Hoofs and Son, Dunne Hamosh, Anna Cleveland, Hamosh and Son again, Kenneth Burke.
David Burke, Arish, Chapter Star, agus Anne Blackhall and Shin Arish.
Jessica Briar, Burke, Son again, Dara Burke. Sean Burke, half a month. Richard Shin, Thursday, David Burke, Katrine Taw. Jessica Briar, Fad, they give her a 9 for Mosh. If not, Gadiga have Kenneth Burke, son on the cart, I'd say Briaskete. Nart Quinny, Gimmerton Young, on the Burke. Sports on the well, August Tog, Murray! Law, Star Ruler Fad, Dunne Hamosh, Quehe, Canish na Glove, Zogaile, Portica, Dunshade, Ur, Reeve, August Cade, Marlaw, the Clown Burke.